So it's 2 something in the morning. Echo, what time is it?
It's 2:49 a.m.
2:49 a.m. Amen. A.m.
Sorry, I'm having trouble. Please try in a little while.
I've got one of those in the kitchen, and that one hears me clearly every time. This one here in the bedroom, she needs a hearing aid. Anyway, clearly I'm having a rough night, or I'd be sleeping by now. But tomorrow, depending on how I feel, I'm getting a new companion. That kind of gives it away, huh? Let's see, how do I want to say this? Supposed to go meet him tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. What else is going on? I've just been, well, I made a bunch of masks, and I've got more I need to make. And, oh, the ants. Oh my gosh, I've got those little black ants. They're out mostly in the backyard. Then I found some in my laundry room today, so I put stuff out. Doctors, they want to do stem cell injections in my spine. They do that in the United States now. Obviously, I'm way behind medical stuff. So I'm gonna, maybe you guys know about that. Do you know anything about stem cell injections done in your spine? I've never heard of it. I do know that they use my blood to do it, so that's a plus. The motorhome, the accident with the motorhome, that turned out to be a blessing in disguise. As y'all know, I've been trying to sell it, and I had it sold. The guy was supposed to come and do the exchange the week after it got wrecked. And if you haven't seen or heard about the wreck, I think it's like 3 or 4 videos back. Anyway, the insurance did total the motorhome, and I'm just waiting for the check to come in. So that's that. And oh, I checked my bank balance earlier tonight, and my stimulus check is there. It just has to wait for a couple of days or something, I guess, to make sure the government has the money. What else is happening? Let's see, the new man in my life, the motorhome, my back, the stimulus check. I don't know. I guess that was about it. So anyway, this was just a quick catcher-upper for you. Oh, the bed bug. And if you don't know what the bed bug is, you have to go back a couple videos and watch. But I'm talking to a couple of people about switching the engine out, the oven out. I want to put, it's got a 1200cc engine in it right now, and I want to put a 1700 engine in it, mainly because I'll be pulling that trailer behind it, and I think maybe just having a bigger engine is going to make it a little easier to pull it. Let's see. I guess that's it for the bug. I haven't done anything to it since that guy was here and wired up the tail lights, but that's all got to be rewired or something, because I know I'm Italian, I talk with my hands. That's got to be redone, because only when I step on the brakes, 3 lights come on. When I turn the blinker on, nothing happens. I don't know. it isn't working right. So that has to be rewired. Let's see. Guess that's about it. If I end up meeting up with this guy tomorrow, I'll definitely take my camera and videotape our first meeting. I'm kind of nervous. What if he doesn't like me? Anyway, so we'll see what happens. Yeah. So I'm just sitting here watching videos and thought I'd do a quick update on what's going on with everything in my life, which isn't a whole lot right now. I'm just kind of laying around. Oh, and I've got those huge, I don't know where they are right now. There was 2 of those great big mosquito eater. I call them daddy long legs with wings. There was 2 of them in here tonight. So when I was laying over on the bed, I had my fly swatter with me, ready to smack them. I know, people say they're good, but they're not good if they land on me, okay? That's not good. It's not pretty. It's not good. Anyway, so that's it for right now. I will update you on everything else as things develop. So, hope y'all are staying inside and doing what you're supposed to be doing. I know I am. Like I have a choice, right? Anyway. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody.